My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Fans don't come out to come expose Victoria and Shaun after they come out yesterday to come claim say they be best friends. And also Wanni, wey be one of the female twins, she don't come out to come complain about how her crush take get wetin she dey find. And lastly, fans don't come out to come drag the Mbadiwe twins online and expose their financial status for outside the Big Brother mansion. So today, Wanni, we dey see Wanni and Shaun together. They do conversation. Before we enter into the conversation between Wanni and Shaun, make we first do a rundown of wetin don sup since morning. Today they do their head of house and voting. As you all know, Big Brother tell us to say this season is going to be all about voting for the HOH instead of the normal team. Maybe they will come play game, the winner will come become head of house. So today, after the voting, we come dey see to say it was a tie between the Radicals and the Mbadiwe twins, which come prompt Biggie to tell them to say okay, the housemates go need to revote between the two pairs where be say come up. So for the voting, e come turn out say na Mbadiwe twins, OC and OC na come win the thing. Congratulations to the Mbadiwe twins for being the first head of house for the season. But Biggie, the head of house voting came with a twist. According to Big Brother say the person wey be say win am, the head of house, e no go get immunity for nominations, which means if they nominate am, go dey surely come up for eviction. Unlike the custodians wey be say be ndini, wey be say Big Brother don already give pardon for nominations this week. Which means to say the Mbadiwe twins go need to up their game, because a lot of people for outside they not too like them like that, because they believe to say they dey boring. Another thing, if they go step on housemates toes, go over them, because housemates go nominate them, and if they come up on Sunday, they might actually go home. But the privilege obviously they get, and the fact they go fit sleep for inside the head of house lounge without any restrictions. So since morning, a lot of all these housemates, they don't they move some certain way. And they talk about the likes of Onyeka, Zinwe, which is Zion and Chinwe. Zinwe don't clock the game where we say double K they play. Remember say double K come out, we come tell us say they go tell the housemates say they never marry. But according to Zion and Chinwe, the two of them don't clock the game to say it's like these two people they actually married, because of the way what be her name. Asi, they always dey clingy to her husband. Onto the conversation when we say Wanni have today with Shaun, according to Shaun, from the things we don't see since Shaun enter into the house, una go notice that say Shaun they actually they like different girls. Yesterday it was actually Nelly. Now we dey see am with and Nelly, they did throughout the night, they just did gist, they talk and all of that. Today he give Wanni his own attention. So for the conversation we be saying and Wanni they have today, Wanni they try to toast the guy, they tell him to say I like you so much, this one. Come ask say what's your genotype and all of that. The guy come and say, well, my genotype na actually AS. And he come turn and say Wanni herself, she too na AS. So the thing can't just make her feel a certain way, because according to her, she really liked the boy and she made it known to him. It's as if not only Wanni now they really trained between the she and her sister will be Andy. I never see Andy trend since, because everywhere they don't even open fan page for Wanni self to tell you how she don't grow fans overnight. So as she make that statement to Shaun to say she too na AS, Shaun come tell am to say wow, say in the believe to say she actually like the Mbadiwe twins before. But Wanni come tell Shaun to say okay fine, say she and the Mbadiwe twins they be actual mutuals for IG, which means they be friends for outside the house, but she not get any physical attraction to them. And they see some fans, it also make they enjoy the moment, may they not think about marriage, may they not think about what they call pushing the relationship forward. But going back and forth, you not go change anything. She's AS, he's AS. Even if they say they want to dwell in the moment, from one moment another moment could come, things they go like that, two of them go fall in love. So is it not better you just save the poor children where we say go come later in the future? If anyone come, save them the stress of being sickle cell. For me, I actually like the conversation between the two of them, because this is not something where we say for our society today, people know they take us seriously. This not things where we say supposed to talk for talking stage. For talking stage, as the person say, what's your genotype? So that una go know before I enter into anything serious. Don't be after how many years on I don't date together. Una come they go check genotype, una come they cry. I hope Wanni go actually date Shaun so that Victoria and Nelly go fight, so that fight go just dey. I don't know whether a triangle we'll call that one. Unto Shaun matter and Victoria matter, fans don't go out go dig at a particular story between the both of them. As una all know, the Shatoria pair they come into the house. Kotolo say they be actually best friends. Say they meet for Dubai, they become friends. Say nothing personal, they not get any relationship together. So people don't find out, people wey know dem come find out, to say come tell the general public say, see oh, these people they lie, they actually dated before, until Victoria come cheat on Shaun, and the Victoria still dey with the guy wey be say she cheat with, and na she na convince Shaun make two of them enter into the Big Brother house together as besties. So the person wey talk the thing, she say na Kim, her name na Kim. So she say who Shaun and Victoria wan fool on this show. X is coming to a show as friends after Victoria cheated and still with the guy she cheated on Shaun with. The disrespect. Shaun sef no get mind, come put laughing emoji. Wetin I gather, I see say Shaun na a footballer just like Shex. That's what I tell una, say they get so many similarities. Him and Shex, they get so many similarities from wetin we don see so far. And Shaun seems like a very calm person, but him go like woman well well. Victoria on the other hand na slow poison. The girl just dey very strange. She dey always dey quiet. You go fit us na so she just be. Mo dey watch. Una go see that Victoria wey everybody carry for her head. Then she fine pass na this one na that one. Una go really see her true colours later. Anyways, if e be say na she na convince Shaun to enter into the Big Brother house, me I no really see anything wey dey wrong this side with Shaun, because Shaun na big, na adult anyways, and if he decide to enter into the Big Brother house with her, who am I to say otherwise? At least wahala no go dey or whatever. Wishing them a blissful stay for the Big Brother Naija mansion. So onto the Mbadiwe twins, Twitter people they come out to the open space, come dey drag them. According to them, they claim to say the Mbadiwe twins they're actually very broke outside the house. Say all these plenty things what they do for inside the house now just to come they show off, come they make people believe to say everything they were with. They say they're actually very broke outside the house. Say now their great grandfather been waiting, now be the person will get the money, and now the Mbadiwe family they're actually in debt. For now, we don't know the Mbadiwe family. Those wey be say they stay for Lagos know Ozumba Mbadiwe. Now that side, now that bus stop, now their name might be that. For one, I'm not a fan of the Mbadiwe twins. I'm not gonna lie. Anybody where they keep their bed like that, they always imagine two adults that they wear the same clothes. They do twins for old age. I not like all those type of things. Now women they wear that the same cloth as twins. It's still they understandable because women sometimes with disability they childish, but man no. Una lis ten to wetin dey talk for una sef, una take care, una bye.
What happened to their money? So people are saying, people are saying, oh, their father is rich, they are this. I'm like, no, they are not rich. These people are dead to us. Their grandfather will really concern me. I've heard a lot from being broke to this other one being a bully. I just need content. Period. Give us what we are asking for. All this one does not really send me anywhere. Just give us what we are asking for. The rest is up to your fans. So the agenda is so that people will not vote for them. So that's why they are saying that dad is a politician. People are trying to bring
guys, more hot babes are coming in. More hot babes are coming in.
They should give us content. They will be voted for. Because I'm like, I beg you. Because my ladies, my guys, please.
Tell us the reality of their present living condition in that house.
Kylie, you're not getting the point. Have they said anything about it against it? I don't understand. You're not getting the point, Kylie. The point is that people are starting to form this agenda of how are you guys able to tell the difference between their father are rich? What I'm saying, Spicy. Their father are rich, this is rich. How are you guys able to tell the difference between these Wanni and Honey like that? Me, I can tell the difference. Which is which? Me, I can. Wanni is chubby. Wanni is Sadi's girlfriend. Wanni is chubby. She has cheek. The other one has the slim face. Andy has a slim face. I feel like it's because